Hi, so here you're going to learn how to determine which classes or which certificates you have obtained and which ones are still in need of a requirement to complete. So if you go to your student portal and then you click on academics and then degree progress audit, you are going to be found yourself here. And here you can see by enrollment which kind of programs you have participated in, which kind of certificates, as well as your bachelor's degree. So if you click right here, you are going to find the date in which you participated in Pathway Connect, also a title for each one of your certificates, and associate's requirements and bachelor's degree requirements. So you would need to go one by one for each of your certificates to see which classes you will need to complete. So for example, we are going to click here on the family relations certificate, and it's going to take a little bit to load. But once you see that the changes have applied here, you are going to scroll down a little bit more, and here in the student academic progress, you can see a green bar, which marks the progress that you have been achieving for this certificate. So for this certificate, the family relations certificate, I needed to complete 15 credits. So the numbers in green are the number of credits you needed to complete. The numbers in blue are the number of credits you have completed, and the numbers in red are the numbers of credits that you still need to complete. So for this certificate, the student needs to complete 15 credits, and the student has already completed these 15 credits. So you can see that there's 0 unfulfilled, meaning that there's 0 credits left that needs to be completed for this certificate. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you are going to see the course list for this certificate and the classes that you will need to complete. Okay, so for example, if you have completed all of your certificates, the classes for your certificates, and you want to know that what are my bachelor's degree requirements, so you can just click here on bachelor's degree requirements for your bachelor's degree. And again, it's going to take a while to load. Okay, so right here, you can see the title for the bachelor's requirements, and these are the number of credits that are required. Sorry, the blue are the number of required, which is 90. The number green are the number of credits that you have fulfilled, and the numbers in red are the ones that still needs to be completed. So I cannot obtain my bachelor's degree, sorry, because I still need to complete six more credits. So how do I know that which are the 6 credits or the classes that I need to complete to complete these 6 credits? I am just going to scroll all the way down to the course list, and right here you can see the course that you need to complete, which would be the FCS 160, and you can see also the status of the course, if you have scheduled it, for which term you have scheduled this class, and the number of credits that this class is going to offer you. If you scroll down a little bit more for the bachelor's requirements, you will see all the other credits that are still in need to complete. And for example, like right here, this student still needs to complete the 2 more credits for the religion electives. So if you click here, you are going to see all the courses that you have taken, and also you can see you can receive like a suggestion for your class schedule as to which religion requirements that are available for next semester. And also for the Family and Human Services capstone, you can also click here and you can see also the class that needs to be completed for these credits to be fulfilled, as you can see right here. So this is another class that the student will need to take in order to obtain those other two credits to complete the bachelor's degree. And yeah, so that's basically how you check for the classes that you need to complete, the number of credits that you have left to obtain either your bachelor's, your associates, or your certificates. So I hope this helps you finding more answers to your questions. And yeah.